Hey, what's up everyone? So you want to generate AI images, but you're tired of paying for Midjourney, tired of daily limits on free tiers, and tired of watermarks all over your stuff. I've got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images completely for free using Cloudflare's Workers AI in a tool called n8n. And this setup uses Flux, one of the best open image models out there right now. No Python, no complicated setup, just a form, a workflow, and your imagination. Let's get into it. You only need two things to follow along. One, a Cloudflare account, free to sign up at cloudflare.com. You don't need a domain or any paid plan, just create an account and you're good. Two, n8n. This is the automation tool we're using. You can either use n8n Cloud, they have a free trial, or self-host it on your own machine using Docker. I'll drop a link in the description for the Docker setup guide. Got both? Perfect. Let's set up Cloudflare first. All right, log into your Cloudflare dashboard at dash.cloudflare.com. Step 1. Create your API token. Click on your profile icon in the top right, go to My Profile, then click API Tokens on the left. Click API Token and choose Create Token. Select Workers AI Use Template. Under Permissions, click Add More. Choose Account, then Account Settings, then Read. Click on Continue to Summary, then Create Token. Copy that token immediately and keep it safe. Cloudflare will only show it once. Now let's jump into n8n. Head to your n8n instance and in the top right, click the plus button to create a new workflow, or go to File, Import from JSON if you have the template file I've provided in the description. Show importing the JSON file. Once imported, you should see the full workflow laid out, 8 nodes total. Let me walk you through each one quickly. Pan across the workflow left to right. On form submission. This is your trigger. It's a web form with 3 fields. Height, width, and your prompt. Setup workflow. Sets smart defaults. If you don't enter a width, it defaults to 1681. No height, defaults to 1080. It also generates a random seed for each image. Check image size. This is a simple guard. If width times height is greater than 1,048,576 pixels, that's 1 megapixel, the workflow stops and throws an error. This prevents Cloudflare from rejecting oversized requests. Get Accounts calls the Cloudflare API to retrieve your account ID automatically. That's why we needed that extra permission in our API token. Flux Schnell Image, the star of the show. This sends your prompt, seed, dimensions, and step count to Cloudflare's Flux One Schnell model and gets back raw image data. Convert to File converts that raw base64 image data into an actual binary file. Edit Image resizes the output to your exact target dimensions. Clean, simple, powerful. Now we need to connect your Cloudflare API token to n8n. Click on the Get Accounts node. Create a credential, you can call it Cloudflare Worker AI with bearer token authentication. Click on the credential name, then edit and paste your API token from earlier into the token field and save it. Now click on the Flux Schnell Image node. It uses the same credential, so just select the one you just created from the dropdown. That's it for credentials. 2 nodes, 1 token. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's activate the workflow and test it. You'll see 3 fields. Height, let's type 768. Width, let's type 1024. And prompt, I'm going to type something fun. A lone astronaut standing on Mars, golden sunset, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting. Hit Submit. Look at that. A fully generated, beautiful AI image. No subscription, no watermark, no daily limit drama. Before we wrap up, let me share a few things to take this further. Tip 1. Understand the 1 megapixel limit. Cloudflare's Flux model caps at 1 megapixel, so 1024 times 768 works, 786,432 pixels, check, but 1920 times 1080 does not, 2,073,600 pixels, X. The workflow already blocks that with the size check node, so you'll get a clean error instead of a confusing API failure. Tip 2. Tweak the steps. The workflow defaults to 4 steps. That's the Schnell or fast setting. Flux 1 Schnell is designed to work well at 4 steps, which is why it's so fast. You can increase it slightly for more detail, but you'll hit longer generation times. Tip 3. Use the seed for reproducibility. Every run generates a new random seed. If you get an image you love, grab the seed value from the execution data. You can hard-code it in the setup node to reproduce near-identical images with different prompts. Tip 4. Connect this to more nodes. This workflow ends at a resized image, but you could extend this to n8n makes all of that possible with just a few more nodes. Tip 5. Cloudflare Workers AI free tier. As of now, Cloudflare offers 10,000 neurons per day for free on Workers AI. Image generation consumes more neurons per request than text, but you can still get a healthy number of images per day without spending a cent. Check the Cloudflare docs for the latest limits. I'll link them below. And that's it. You now have a fully working, free AI image generator powered by Cloudflare's Flux model, automated with n8n, and completely yours to customize. If you found this helpful, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find this video. And if you want me to show how to extend this workflow to auto-post images to social media, or how to chain multiple AI models together, comment below and let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.